Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for today on the Electric Guy. You might know that the milk we drink contains lactose, which is digested in our body to form glucose and lactose. A person suffering with lactose intolerance can't drink milk. So can we digest milk outside our body so that a person suffering from lactose intolerance can also drink it? Let's find out. For this experiment, you need an enzyme called as lactase. This enzyme helps to break down lactose into glucose and galactose. So let's take milk in a beaker and add few drops of lactase in it. Now let's keep the milk untouched for about 5 hours. Now after 5 hours, heat the milk to remove any leftover enzyme in it. Now it is safe to drink. You will observe that it has become a little sweeter. This is because of the presence of glucose in it. And now you know the recipe to make lactose-free milk. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to stay tuned with my upcoming videos, please subscribe.